Hello again, everyone. Welcome to another lesson. Today, I'm talking about the harmonic minor scale. Now, in my previous lesson, I've talked about the natural minor scale. And I've mentioned in my previous lesson that I'll be talking about the two other types of minor scales that are available. Okay, so one of them is the harmonic minor scale. Now, as in other scales that I have taught you in my previous lessons, okay, starting from the major scale and then the natural minor scale, you should understand by now that I always focus on the half steps. Yeah, in the major scale, the half steps are on the third and the fourth note, seventh and eighth note. In the natural minor scale, I mentioned to you the half steps are the second and the third note, in between the second and the third note, and the fifth and the sixth note. Other notes are, the intervals in between other notes are all whole steps or one tone. Okay, so in the harmonic minor scale, these are the locations of the half steps. Yeah, second and third note, in between the second and third note, fifth and sixth note, seventh and eighth notes. All these notes are half steps, and I've illustrated the example here in the drawing of the scale. As we can see, C, D, E flat, D and E flat, that's a half step. F, G and A flat, that's a half step. And then A flat, B, C, yeah. B and C is the another half step. Now, look at this blue bracket, dotted bracket that I have indicated here. Now, in the harmonic minor scale, this is, I believe, the two notes that really distinguishes the harmonic minor scale. This is the two notes that actually identify that when you hear it, you know, okay, that's definitely a harmonic minor scale. Now, when we go to the piano shortly, you will see what I mean. Now, for those of you hearing it for the first time, you'll tell me, and many people will be saying the same thing, oh, it sounds kind of Middle Easternish kind of thing, right? Yeah, so that is the unique characteristic of the harmonic minor scale, particularly because of this. Yeah, so the distance between the sixth note, which is the flat six, yeah, and then the major seventh. So it is not a distance of a half step, nor it is a distance of a one step. A half step will be here, a one step will be here. It's a 1.5 steps, or 3 semitones, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so 1 semitone, 2 semitones, 3 semitones. Yeah, so the solfeggio will be do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. In intervals, it sounds like do, re, major second, do, mi, minor third, do, fa, perfect fourth, do, so, perfect fifth, do, la, minor sixth, do, D, major 7, do, do, octave. Yeah. So I'm going to play all the three scales again from major. Now the natural minor. And the latest one, the harmonic minor. Okay, now that we know how the harmonic minor sounds like, okay, this is another minor scale, another variation of the minor scale, which is the melodic minor scale. Yeah, it is actually the melodic minor scale. The melodic minor scale is divided into two types of scale. One is the real or traditional, or if I can say the classical melodic minor scale, which we all understand. Okay, the other one is the jazz melodic minor scale. What's the difference? Okay, simple. We'll go first to the construction of the real or traditional melodic minor scale. Now, again, we'll identify where the half steps are. Okay, if you notice the real melodic minor scale, I've written it ascending and descending. Why? Because it is during the descending of the real melodic minor scale, the difference lies there. Okay, but it's quite a simple thing to understand, and I will explain it to you. Okay, now the half steps of the melodic minor scale or the real melodic minor scale exists between the second and the third note. Okay, so I'll write it down here: 2, 3, and the 7th and 8th note, which is here. So 2, 2, 3, 7, and 8 equals half steps. Yep. Now, on the descending part of the real melodic minor scale, okay, it descends to become a natural minor scale. Okay, so real melodic minor scale, ascending is 2, 3, 7, 8. Descending is 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay, to hear the difference, let's go again to the piano shortly. Yeah. Okay. Now, the jazz melodic minor, this is the only difference between the real or traditional melodic minor and the jazz melodic minor. The jazz melodic minor, the ascending and the ascending and descending are the same. Okay, so which means that's why in my example here I've only written it ascending, because it is the same thing descending. Okay, so that's the only difference between the real or traditional melodic minor and the jazz melodic minor. Okay, so again, real or traditional melodic minor, ascending and descending, two different scales. Okay, ascending, the melodic minor; descending, it goes to the natural minor scale. Okay, jazz melodic minor, ascending and descending, the same. That is all. Now, the melodic minor scale. Now, I'm going to start with the real melodic. Hear the difference? This is the real melodic minor, yeah? So ascending, yeah? And it descends with the natural minor scale. Okay, so that is the real melodic minor. The jazz melodic minor, yeah, so I'm going to solfege for you just the ascending part. Do, re, do, me, do, fa, do, so, do, la, do, ti, do, do. Do, re, major second, do, me, minor third, do, fa, perfect fourth, do, so, perfect fifth, do, la, major sixth, do, ti, major seven, do, do, octave. Jazz melodic. That's the real melodic minor. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Happy learning! Hey guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Meanwhile, please like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and happy learning. Take care.